video. So I'm driving along. Yeah, so something interesting. I was looking at Tom DeLauer's video. His channel is like fitness everything information comes to his other channel. It's good stuff though. He talks about one of his recent videos about light therapy. So he talks about how the infrared light and red light is good for us. It's the opposite end of the spectrum, but then there's more to it. There's this mystery of why is it good for us? And it's quite simple really. What other life forms benefit from infrared and red light? Certain types of radiation as well, other things maybe further down the spectrum. And it's quite simple. It's our good old friends, the mushrooms. The mitochondria. Yep. The mitochondria is, from my understanding, is RNA. It's a powerhouse, so there's no conflict with DNA. And it operates slightly different, but in essence, that's what it is. It's a type of fungus. So at some point, some symbiosis. I think the best way to get it. Symbiosis occurred between a deoxyribonucleic acid, or life form, whatever that might have been, and combined with the mitochondrial life form. It's likely that it was almost like, if you look at the sperm and egg scenario, it's a kind of retro type thing. It's actually forced its way in and offloaded its DNA inside another life form. Pretty much just what it is, like a retrovirus. Not to say that the male sperm is just a retrovirus, but it has a sort of function of getting the delivery method, basically, getting the materials into the egg. And it doesn't care what egg it is either, so it just go for it. But it's been designed over time. It's been more effective at fertilising the particular types of eggs, which is our human-like ones. And so once the egg itself is and it's possibly that it didn't need to exist with a male component in it. It was later that this male component was added to the egg and created the kind of the sexes from there on, really. And so that's why also I think men have nipples and so on. It's because we are part female as well. So that understanding of that connection. So what does that mean? It means that there's an area of, if you want to improve your mitochondria, it's through mushrooms and bacteria is going to be in that sort of connection. Which is different. And it also taps into other stuff. It's kind of these horror movies where you get vampires. I think I might mention this before. They need to have the earth that they were died in. And that's from some bacterial component. I wanted to do some more research. There were these ones, people believed they were vampires in the past, and what they would do is they'd stick bricks in their mouths when they were dead so they would come back and smash their skulls and stuff. It could be that they had some type of, they were infected with something that possibly could have helped them regenerate back or made them quite aggressive. It could be a whole combination of things. So it could be something that would kind of make them, I wouldn't say necessarily immortal, but it might do some extra things to them. It made them stand out amongst other humans, and so humans feared them, like maybe they could heal better from wounds and stuff. Or they could recover from certain illnesses. It's just so they got seen as something evil or feared for. At some point, if someone just stick a brick in someone's mouth, they must have had a massive fear of them. It could even be the bacteria builds up a lot of gas in them and they make noises when they're corpses. But it's interesting why they went to them lengths. And if you watch other films as well, it's not like a soft disclosure, but if you watch Underworld, that's about a virus that genetically alters the person's DNA, but I think it was because their blood was different anyway. Because they had they were an abnormality anyway. They had blood cells that were fused together, which allowed the oxygen still to be transported, so they survived. It's like sickle cell and all these sorts of things. It gave it a certain advantage. So there may be other stories like that, and then you've got kind of developments in stuff like if you played The Last of Us, that was based on a type of mushroom that went into the brain and turned people into these mindless zombies. But the thing is, if something takes over a host, at some point, due to exposure, due to the nature of DNA, not it gets corrupted or anything, but it will try to connect at that level. I mean, this is what happens in your stomach when it's got bacteria living there, and they connect up to your nervous system in your stomach. And it makes you wonder what humans are and what life forms are. Are we a part of some kind of mushroom warfare? Mushrooms are at war with each other and they're kind of using us as a vessel. And we've got kind of raw DNA as well. We cook our food. I mean, yeah, sure, we're protecting mitochondrial, but also if you eat things that are raw or fermented foods, then potentially you could be giving yourself macro and micronutrients for your mitochondrials. So there's the potential of where you could take that, and also what levels and what limits. And there's something else as well, is the research and kind of my spiritual research, let's put it that way, because I can't say, look, this is science. Science is just about, here's a fact, here's a hard fact here. You can say I'm a user and therefore I have a base of knowledge. But sugar and getting into the cells and how insulin works, it must take the immune system offline, but also it makes the cells vulnerable to other kinds of attacks and stuff like that. And there's things like they mentioned sugars and cancer. That's because without autophagy in place, or your body doing its apoptosis, I have to remember what it is. Basically, it's your cell's natural death. If it's prolonged, it becomes mutagenic and tries to survive independently with some dysfunctional cell, and that's where you get cancer. But because of the lack of autophagy and so on, the cells, that's why that mutant cell's there. And with the sugar, it takes that all offline, so it gives the opportunity for that cell to keep dividing and keep mutating. And it's not sugar necessarily, it's feeding cancer. This could be a big mistake to suggest that cancer and sugar are one of the same. However, I don't think sugar's good for you. It's that insulin and your immune response taken off, because otherwise your immune system might attack your mitochondrial DNA, and that could cause some problems. But equally, I could create something. If you had a kind of like sugar and you combined it with something else, because I know you can get silver salts, but I don't know about sugars and mixing sugars and silvers together. You could make something. Well, it's either two ways it works. Either going to protect the mitochondrial, or it's going to destroy it. And I think the mitochondrial thrives in an oxygen type environment. I'll have to have a look at more research. Yes, I think that's possibly true, because different bacteria like different types of environments. And so an oxygenated thing like silver, it's in its oxidized form shouldn't be a problem. It is a problem if it's negatively charged, the organism, because then it straps itself to it and basically clogs it up. You don't want to do that. But there could be ways to use sugars combined with certain minerals to improve things as well. So anyway, this is Pixie signing off, and I will speak to you soon another time. Bye bye.